Hi guys, how you all doing? I'm good. It's Esther here. So I'm in my kitchen. It's on a Sunday. It's hot. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm everything that is not nice. But we're gonna overlook that. And before I even sort out my hunger, I wanna sort out my thirst, right? So I'm thirsty, it's hot, so I'm looking for something cold, something that I can make in like 2 seconds, but it's gonna be so good. So I want to show you what I'm gonna be making. Hope you like it, and yeah. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We are at 118, still moving forward, moving strong. I can't believe I'm saying 100 and at the beginning of this year I was maybe 70 something, so that's a very good thing. So let's go ahead and make this drink. I hope you like it. I hope you can all make it at your homes, places. So let's get into it. Here we have everything we'll be needing. So here I have Dormant's granulated coffee. I don't like fine, so I think this is good if you're a coffee person and you do like the other kind of coffee, like the cappuccino ones, and you don't have the machine. This granulated is always a better alternative. Then we have our sugar here, we have our fresh milk, and we have our ice cubes. We're gonna need this gadget. It's a pre-charged this, whatever it is. And you'll need this. If you don't have this and you have a mason jar, then you use it. So let me get into the video and see. You can see me clearly. So I'm gonna add, let's say, 3 teaspoons, not tables, teaspoons of sugar. I need, this is like a pick me up, so I'm gonna put like one heaped and a half of coffee, and then I forgot to add, we'll be needing water. So this is just water, and we'll just put enough to cover our coffee like that. And then now we'll do this. We'll have to use this, and it's gonna be noisy. Look at that. So this is how it's looking like. Then we're gonna add our ice cubes. Sorry, it's noisy, but we had to crack the ice cubes. So now we go in. Like that. With our ice cubes. I think that's enough. Otherwise it will be too much. Then we put our milk. And I'm using the tiniest scissors there is. So we put in our milk. Like so. So after that, you take your straw, you insert, and you try and stir it. It's actually really good. It tastes like a milkshake. Yeah. And the sugar did balance. It's not too much, it's not too little. So this is what we came up with. This is how it's looking from the top. Very creamy. Let me try and do it this way. Here we go. It actually looks really good. As you can see, it has different layers. You just have to keep stirring as you go. But other than that, perfection is the word. Until next time, bye bye.